Opening the main box, you can see that the pipe hex is well packaged and protected. All the packaging used comes from FSC mixed sources and is fully recyclable. The end protectors add additional protection when packaged and when handling outside of the box. Leave them in place until you're making the waste connections. Packaged product drop testing has been carried out to represent a fall from a tail lift or carrying height, with no damage reported after inspection. It is advised to handle the pipe hex horizontally as much as possible. The installation kit for the pipe hex is supplied in a separate box and contains the main installation components. Check the condition of these on site and store them safely if they are not used straight away. If components are misplaced on site, spares are available by contacting info@recoup.co.uk. The turbo rotator and turbo rotator cap will be located at the top of the pipe hex. The coupling insert, 90-degree coupling sleeve, and reducer make up the connection assembly at the bottom. There are two mounting brackets for securing the pipe hex to the wall beside the soil vent pipe. No wall plugs are supplied for the mounting brackets due to the wide variety of wall types, and where they are not required, they would go to waste. The SAP label supplied with the pipe hex must be filled in and applied onto or near the water heater for the property. The model type and serial number to put on the label can be found on the label of the pipe hex, while the system type to identify will be the specified system type for the installation. There is a QR code on the label sheet to take you to the website to register the installation, and where required, don't forget to take photos of the installation to satisfy the requirements of Building Regulations Part L.